What exactly is the food industry? Can you define that?
Great question. Maybe we can start with what it is not. So,
Absolutely.
A lot of people think that when we say food industry, that we actually work in cafes and make food for people to eat, on the streets and that sort of stuff. So it's definitely not that. We do have chefs working in our industry, but what we actually do is make all the products that you see when you go shopping at Coles or Woolworths or other retailers. Also, it could be in cafes, but that food has already been prepared somewhere else, and it's par cooked and that it's finished at the cafe. So it's more about scaling up and making like bigger quantities of food, and there is a lot of science involved in there. Now, a lot of people also don't know that the food industry is part of the manufacturing sector, and it's actually the largest sector in that particular industry. So it's more than 25%.
Wow.
Just to give you some numbers, we are very closely linked to agriculture because nearly 50% of what agriculture produces, which is horticulture, different fruit, berries, and that sort of stuff, vegetables and all that stuff, and dairy and meat. So nearly 50% is actually value added in the food industry, and then it goes onto the shelves or the retailers. Or, chicken nuggets at McDonald's, when you go to McDonald's and get chicken nuggets, it's actually made in a manufacturing facility. Yep. So together with the agriculture, it's about 500,000 jobs in Australia. So it's actually massive. There are probably, I would say, 15,000 businesses around Australia, which is a lot again. And majority of them, 85%, is on the eastern seaboard. So it's Queensland, New South Wales and Victoria.